Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into a hot topic, artificial intelligence, AI tutors. Can really machines replace teachers? Picture this, it's 2 a.m. you are stuck on a physics problem and your teacher's fast asleep. Enter AI tutors available 24/7, ready to break down complex concepts just for you. Sounds like a dream, right? According to a 2024 study from Harvard, students using AI tutors in physics absorbed twice the material compared to those with traditional instruction. That's wild. AI tutors, like Intelligent Tutoring System called ITS, use machine learning to adapt to your learning style, pace, and even your mistakes in real time. They are like having a personal coach who never gets tired. But hold up, can these machines really replace the heart and soul of teaching? Let's talk about perks first. Research from the World Economic Forum shows AI tutoring boosts learning outcomes, with the tutored students outperforming 98% of their peers in traditional classroom. Why? AI delivers personalized feedback, scales to millions of students, and cuts costs. A 2025 report from Grandview Research predicts that AI education market will hit $20 billion by 2027, with tools like AI chatbots already helping 90% of students study smarter than with human tutors. Now let's flip the coin. Teacher bring emotional support, creativity, and that human spark machine can't replicate. A 2023 study in smart learning environments found that while AI excels at personalized instruction, it struggles with emotional intelligence and nuanced mentorship. Plus, there is a risk of bias in AI algorithms and privacy concerns with student data. Posts on X even highlight educators' worries that over-relying on AI might shortcut the deep learning that comes from human interaction. So, can AI replace teachers? Here is the tea. AI tutors are game changers for accessibility and personalization, but they are not here to kick teachers out. Think of them as teaching partners, tools to enhance, not replace, the classroom magic. A 225 EdTech magazine articles suggest the future is collaborative, with AI handling repetitive tasks like grading, freeing teachers to inspire and connect. So what do you think? Are AI tutors the future, or do teachers still humans? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.